In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to set up time tracking in QuickBooks Online Payroll. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm everything is ready so your team's hours flow smoothly into payroll without extra data entry. Start in QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand menu. Click Time. This takes you to the Time section that connects directly with your payroll, so you're setting things up in the right place from the start. Next, click the green button that says Launch QuickBooks Time. This opens QuickBooks Time, which is the time tracking tool that integrates with your QuickBooks Online Payroll. Give it a moment to load if it's the first time you're launching it in this company file. Sign into your QuickBooks Time account. Use the same credentials you normally use for QuickBooks Time so the connection links correctly. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're signing into the right account for the company you're working on today. Admin access is best here to make sure you can see and adjust all the setup options. After signing in, you'll land on the Getting Started area with a helpful checklist. Review what's shown on your screen. You'll see items like Set up with an expert, which is currently selected but not completed. Set up company, which shows as completed. Onboard team members, not completed. Track projects not completed, and prepare for payroll, which is marked completed. Your statuses might vary, and that's okay. The goal is to review each item and finish anything that's still pending. Click each item to complete the setup as needed. When you open Setup with an Expert, you'll get guidance on best practice settings, so your timesheets match your workflow. Setup Company is already completed, but you can still peek in to confirm your business details and time preferences look right. For onboard team members, clicking in will walk you through adding your workforce so they can track time from the web or mobile app. Track projects helps you turn on project or job tracking, so hours can be grouped by client, job, or task for better reporting. Prepare for payroll is marked completed, but it's worth opening to confirm that time is set to export properly to QuickBooks Online Payroll and that your pay periods align with your payroll schedule. When you finish reviewing and making adjustments, make sure to save your settings. Look for the Save option on the pages you've changed so nothing gets lost. That's how to set up time tracking in QuickBooks Online Payroll.